So, you're thinking about getting a 2026 Subaru?
That's awesome.
Well, one of the biggest decisions you're going to make is what's actually under the hood. It's a choice that really defines the whole character of your car, the engine.
So what's it going to be? Are you going to stick with the classic reliability of a gas engine? Or are you going to jump into the modern efficiency of a hybrid? You know, this choice is about more than just mechanics. It's really about what you value most when you're behind the wheel. Let's take a closer look at what each one brings to the table.
All right, first up, let's talk about the Old Faithful, the dependable gas engine. This is the powerhouse that's been at the heart of Subaru's legacy for years, the one that really built its reputation for just enduring performance.
What this engine is all about, in one word, is trust. It's built for drivers who prioritize a proven track record. You're getting consistent, predictable power and the kind of rugged reliability that just gives you total peace of mind, no matter where you're headed.
Okay, but what if you're looking for something a little different? For 2026, Subaru is introducing its super efficient hybrid system, and it's designed for drivers who want a bit more from their vehicle. This is really where innovation hits the road.
And that more we're talking about really comes down to two key things: quicker acceleration and better fuel economy. The source material makes it clear that this system is tailor-made for people who want the best of both worlds. That punch of power when you need it and great efficiency all the time. So how does it work?
Well, it's a really clever combination of a 2.5-liter gas engine and an electric motor working together. By pairing these two, Subaru created a single, powerful system that uses the strengths of both, and it can seamlessly switch between them or use them together for the best possible performance.
And the result of that partnership is this number right here, 194. That's the total system horsepower you get. But, you know, a number is just a number. What does 194 horsepower actually feel like on the road?
Well, here's what that horsepower translates to in the real world. According to the source, you get noticeably better acceleration, which is perfect for confidently merging onto the highway. Plus, that improved MPG is just ideal for everything from your daily city commute to those long-distance road trips.
So, to sum it all up, the hybrid system is designed to be incredibly versatile. The instant torque you get from the electric motor makes city driving feel zippy and super responsive, while the better fuel economy really pays off on those long highway stretches. It's about having the right power and the right efficiency for any situation you're in. And this brings us right back to you. With both of these options laid out, the choice really truly depends on your personal driving style and what you prioritize in a car.
This slide really gets to the heart of the whole decision. Are you looking for that proven, bulletproof reliability of the traditional gas engine, or are you after the innovative performance and zip of the hybrid? It's that classic choice between the established standard and the exciting next step forward.
But here's the key takeaway, and it's a big one. While the powertrains are different, the fundamental Subaru experience stays exactly the same. So there's really no wrong answer here, because both options are built on the very same core promise.
And what is that promise? Well, it's built on these three pillars: reliability, confidence, and capability. No matter which engine you choose, you are getting a vehicle that's engineered to deliver on these core principles. It's literally in the DNA of the Subaru brand. So think about your own driving life. Are you navigating city streets day in and day out, or are you exploring the open roads on the weekend? Do you prioritize that proven, rock-solid dependability, or are you looking for that extra boost of modern performance? Ultimately, the choice is yours. Which engine is going to power your next adventure?